This recipe is a bit different from those traditional holiday roasts, but it's amazing. And of course, you can make it all year round. I start by adding 2 onions, now a spoonful of crushed garlic, and I'm going to add a cup of beef broth. Now I add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 200 ml of dry red wine, and I put in the tri-tip roast, which is seasoned with just a little salt and black pepper. Then I close the pressure cooker, and after it reaches pressure, I lower the heat and cook for 1 hour. Now that the meat is cooked, I'm going to slice it and set it aside, and then I'll let the sauce reduce until it gets nice and thick. I'm going to adjust the salt, add half a cup of mushrooms, and now I'll pour it over the meat. And to finish, some parsley. If you enjoyed the recipe, please like it. See you in the next video.